To brine or not to brine? That is the question. Let's discuss it. Hey everybody, it's Mars from Rod and Grill, and today we're going to be talking about brining your turkey and whether it's right for you. I've tried the wet brine and the dry, and I've done it over the years. And personally, what I come to find is that for me, the brining has a tendency to give the turkey more of a deli taste, like a deli meat. And that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking when I'm sitting down eating Thanksgiving dinner. I want turkey to taste like traditional turkey. I don't want it to taste like something I just had, asked the guy at the deli counter for a half pound for. So we know the whole reason behind brining is to help hold that moisture in the turkey so you don't dry it out so much and it doesn't taste like wood. So that being said, if you're using the wrong technique in cooking your turkey, you're going to dry the out of that thing. And I don't think there's a reason to brine. Um, just when cook that turkey right, and you'll be okay. Lower your temperatures if you want to do a longer cook. Maybe put the bird in at 325. You could do a fast and slow cook, which is what I prefer. Doing 500 degrees for about 30 minutes, then cutting it down to about 350. What I like to do is I'll cook the bird at 500 in my regular oven. While that's cooking, I prepare my smoker and I set my smoker for about 350. And once the turkey comes out of the oven, I throw it right into the smoker, let it get some smoke, and it comes out beautiful. Also, it only takes about maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours max extra to finish off the bird. Like I said, I stopped brining. I don't like that deli taste. I got every time I would cook, I'm like, okay, this tastes great, but it has a specific flavor, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And it tastes like sliced deli meat, and I don't want that. I want real traditional turkey. I want to be able to taste the turkey. Um, when my grandmother used to make it back in the day, uh, and we had Thanksgiving, you would know that turkey was cooked properly and cooked right. It wasn't until I got older when I really started getting into cooking myself that I was trying different techniques, and one of them was the brine. Everybody brines, Well, I shouldn't say that. Not everybody brines, obviously, but just a lot of people do the brining. So I figured I'd try it too, and I kind of liked it, but it never tastes like what I was used to. Um, then I saw the dry brine, where you salt it, put it in the fridge for overnight or whatever, and then you cook it the next day. Same thing. I get that deli meat flavor. Um, so I just went to natural, you know, seasoning the turkey right before I put it in the oven. Like normal, inside the cavity, outside, um, and there it is. I got my traditional turkey. So I just wanted to kind of throw this out there, uh, so to help you decide whether you want to brine or not, because I know there's a lot of videos and stuff of people cooking turkey, especially this time of year. So that's my 2 cents. Hope it helps you out, and everybody be good. Have a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully, I'll have a turkey video coming up soon. Take care.